So when we're looking at a client, if you are doing e-prescribe, I just wanted to show you that in that client's profile, there is a e-prescribe button here. And let me go to a different client. I just don't have it set up on that one. So there's an e-prescribe here. And so what this is it's bringing up the information on that particular client. And, so that I can look at drug allergies, what pharmacies, it has their insurance coverage details for their pharmacies. You can add patient prescriptions from here and patient notifications. Now, I can't really submit anything, so I'm getting some errors in here because I'm not a prescriber, right? So prove and send, print, inactive medications or medication history, all of that is showing up here so that you can manage that e-prescribe section. All right, so next thing, let's go to billing. Now, if you are doing insurance billing, your billing screen is going to look like this. If you are not dealing with insurance, then you're not going to see anything over here on this claim actions section or the insurance policy section. You're basically going to see this list of balance and credits due. So let's focus on the claim cycle. So this is your claims pipeline. When TherapyAppointment creates a claim, what's going to happen is it's going to scrub that claim and make sure that it would even pass getting through to the insurance company. So that's what we're seeing here is it held one of my claims because we have Nedra Newbie here. It's going to tell me what the problem is. And the client address is missing or incomplete in their profile. So this would be an example of not having a client register in the portal because they're required to put those fields in for you, right? But you can fix this. It'll fix it on the claim and in the portal and send that on out for you. So as claims are ready, you'll see where it says submit 6 claims. So these are all claims that are ready to go to the insurance company. It allows you to view what you're going to see, what's going in that claim. These headings are usually the biggest thing you need to know about billing insurance and what you're billing, right? So whether you're doing it yourself, I've been doing my own billing since 2010. I'm a little nerdy. I love it. And so what's going out on that claim. And if I happen to find anything that needs fixed, I can go ahead and edit that and put it on the claim, just going right here. So I would just click on this, hit view. This is a claim editing tool, and I can help you out. I mentioned earlier that we have a whole team of insurance experts on working in our support team here at TherapyAppointment. And so if you have questions about a process, they are happy to answer those questions, and they're going to answer them really fast. They are actually waiting for your questions to come in, and they'll send you step-by-step instructions on how to get something. You can also schedule one-on-one meeting with them so that you're walking through different things together. So let's go back to this billing screen. If I am ready to submit all these claims, everything checkmarked is just here. If there's something I don't want to send out, just uncheck it and know those claims are on their way to the insurance company. And this is a look at all my claims I've sent to the insurance company, but that haven't yet been paid by the insurance company, right? So I can always keep an eye on this. Now, honestly, I don't worry about anything on my claims until TherapyAppointment tells me I need to. So I would, if something got rejected, it would pop right back in here. TherapyAppointment would tell me the reason. I can change it and send it back out. I don't have that happen very often, honestly. Submitted, what this means is this is kind of like a total amount that's been submitted. Aging claims. So these are claims that TherapyAppointment is noticing, hey, you haven't recorded any payment for these yet, so you might want to follow up on those, right? So I'd want to look into that, make sure my claim got where it needed to go. Again, I rarely have anything that I need to do that with in my practice. So the biggest thing I love is auto posting. So Therapy Appointment will show you how to tell your insurance companies to, when they pay you, right? The insurance companies are going to pay you, that they send you the money, but they can send Therapy Appointment the explanation of benefits, and Therapy Appointment reads it and automatically posts it for you and updates everything. So I really honestly come to this page, and if I don't see anything that I need to work, I know I'm all good, right? You can also keep a quick look at balances and credits due by clients from here, and credit cards that are expiring soon. So it's always good to look at that, probably weekly. Make sure you can even reach out to those clients right through here to say, hey, let's send a reminder email to a client to update their card on file in the portal. I can put a billing note to remind myself about those kind of things. So that's a nice tool to be able to use here. You can also create statements to a single client or a batch of statements to your clients from here. Now, I just want to let you know, Therapy Appointment does train you on how to do billing and work in your account. So no worries. We'll get you where you want to go. Reporting. So reporting is, in Therapy Appointment, is that's the last step, right? It turns everything that you did into reporting for yourself so that when we look at it, we'll be able to see, kind of keep track of your income for the last 30 days. I come in here, I love using this income summary report, because what it's going to do for you is, I don't know about you, but when it comes time to doing my taxes, I need to run quarterly reports or look at last year's income, right? So it's all in Therapy Appointment for me. I can click in it and take a look and say, yep, here is my total income, how much came in from clients, how much came in from insurance income. Of those clients who paid, how much of them paid what and when. That's all going to be part of it. So you have all those important details at your fingertips from here. Accounts receivable report, insurance reimbursement reports, practice summary reports, activity reports, and even audits and feature usage reports are down here for you. So reporting is an important tool for a solo practice, even more important for a group practice. So thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the beautiful, simple interface that's easy to use, the fact that you'll have an expert onboarding and claim support team working with you, and a clinician-driven process. Thanks for joining me. You're going to get an email from me saying, how'd you like this demo? I'd appreciate your feedback, and any way we can help answer questions or help get you onboarded, we're here for you. Take care.